Zinqumalo and Somizi? What's that about?
No, I'm just saying, like, ever since she linked up with Somizi, like, her career doesn't seem to be popping off the same.
Why would it be a problem? Why would you think Somizi now was...
I mean, Somizi's been associated with a whole lot of artists who are no longer popping. Think about it. One after the other.
So what are you saying about Somizi?
I'm just saying.
Does he suck out your luck or something?
I don't know. You should ask him.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You're close, right?
Nah, not really.
Oh,
Not
good.
really.
Stay far.
All right. Let's pay bills quickly, man. Message from Hollywood Bet. The Aviatrix tournament is officially live at Hollywood Bet, running from 1 June to 31.
How do you feel about people who spread rumors about you?
It's never the rumor that gets me, it's the audacity of the mouth it came from.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Notabaloyi has definitely opened up a can of worms after doing that video insinuating that Zinqumalo's career is about to go downhill because she is friends with Somizi Mhlongo. She associates herself with Somizi Mhlongo. Nota says that, it is not a secret that Somizi sucks his friend's luck, you guys. He made those serious allegations. Yep. He pretty much didn't say it out loud, but Tari did ask him, like, what are you saying? Are you insinuating that Somizi Mhlongo sucks the talents out of Bakgotsi Barare, you guys? And people in the comment section were kind of into Somizi's comment section, you guys. They were saying there's definitely no smoke without fire. Somizi did that second video which I inserted responding to those allegations. People were saying that definitely Somizi, there's no smoke without fire. I think I only saw like maybe 1 or 2 comments defending Somizi Mhlongo. Now, Unozi, you guys know Zimkhize. She is a TikToker who does like this videos satire style. Now she did this video saying that Bonang Matheba definitely dodged Somizi's bullet and escaped Somizi's tokoloshi, you guys. And 2 days ago she also did a video claiming that there could be truth to what Unota is actually saying. And Somizi is so much unbothered, you guys. He went onto his TikTok to kind of make fun of Nota, guys, and people in the comment section were like naming names. Unozi also did name names. There's a video whereby she named names of people who were Somizi's close circle, and once they leave out of Somizi's life, they just disappear into thin air. Their careers basically in the entertainment industry. That's what Unozi alleges. She says that once you are Somizi's friend, goodbye to your career, goodbye to your acting, goodbye to your singing, just goodbye to your talents, because they spiritually get transferred to Somizi Mhlongo, you guys. What do you guys think about this? Do you think that there is a bit of truth to this, or do you think that Nota is just being Nota? He is basically just bluffing. Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one.
Yo. Yo. Phakathi South Africa nami ngiyasaba-ke manje. Ngeke bafethu, ngeke phela. Indaba ey'ngaka, hayi ngeke. Yo. Hayi nami ngiyayisaba-ke. Hayi. Yabona-ke manje angisho lutho. Zifundeleni nangelana uCashmere Cloud laphayana. Hayi ngeke. Yo, angifuni ukuyiphatha-ke le. Angazi kuthiwa ubonanga kanjani, angazi mhlawumbe inunu, angazi yasibani, angazi kwasebenze njani ngenunu, wavele wabona kuthiwa ngithi nayo ubonanga ngathi nayo ney'nyanga zakhe ayihambayo, njengoba kwakusho umfethu laphayana u-AKA, uyabo, kuthiwa-ke wathi sahamba lezo y'nyanga zakhe yamxwayisa inyanga yakhe. Akusho mina njalo belo. kuthiwa kusho bani laphayana uCashmere Cloud uthi uCashmere Cloud ubonanga wasinda ngokulambisa phela kushuthi consult cause when they fight he caused that he found Muti and I think Hell Healer told her to stay away. Kuthiwa inyanga yabonanga yathi baleka ngezinyawo zombili ngani yami. Kuthiwa inyanga yabonanga yabona ngesimo somoya ibona le nunu le. Na isizoqeda ngobonanga isizothatha nje konke ubonanga nakho nako konke nomcebo wakhe nodumo lwakhe inunu yasibanibani ke hey mina guys angisafuni lo ngifake lezi zinto layelani ke mphakathi mina sengiyayikhipha ezintweni zobumnyama nezinto zobumnyama ngisayihamba indlela zobumnyama ngakho ke ngicela ukuyikhipha kuyo yonke lento le nyova demo le nalesiphithiphithi ngicela ukuyikhipha sengiphumile le ndaba zokuthi angazobani inunu yasibanibani yenzani angiphumile nje angisekho ke nje xobo ke nje awusangifanisi nokungifanisa ke nje futhi awungibonanga and awungizwanga and angishongo lutho nizizwele uNoth ekhuluma niyazibonela naba bayabhala uCashmere Cloud ke kuthiwa inyanga yasibanibani yathi nje ngithi baleka ngezinyawo zombili hamba ngathi uxoshwa ujahwa umlilo yezwa phephu ngathi uphushwa umoya wabaleka kanjalo ke ingane yabantu yasinda kanjalo ke nayo isindiswa yini ukuthi nayo inezinyanga zayo uyabo thiwa yathi inyanga yakhe yabona ke manje ithi ngikutshela kusho inyanga yabonanga phela isho kubonanga kuthiwa yathi inyanga yabonanga lalela ke ngani yami ngiyakutshela ke angizokufihlela ke mina esikwenza nawe siyakwenza ngiyakusiza lapha nalapha yabo ngoba ngiyinyanga mina ngaphiwa isipho sokuba inyanga lemlingo le emazweni angiyazi ngeke futhi ngikwazi ukukusiza nje ngiyakutshela angispecialize it's not my area of specialty thayathi inyanga yabonanga lezi zeyilwane nomthwalo nana yathi it's not my forte I don't specialize kulezi zinto lezi zizongixaka and angizokwazi ukukusiza angizokwazi futhi ukukulamulela ngikukhiphe emlonyeni wengwenya ngakho ke ngani yami ibaleka kuthi ubona ngazange avalelise kusomizi kusho bani kusho Cashmere lapha thiwa wavele ghosted him without an explanation thiwa ubonanga inyanga yamxwayisa wathi say no more thiwa she didn't think twice thinyanga yathi blink once mase if you blink twice ungabusangibala thubona wablinka once wathi nje nyawo zami ngibelethe uyangizwa thiwa zangathi mnganami ifriendship iyaphela akazange athi ngiyavalisa kuthiwa nje gone kanje vum vum thiwa ni vum 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 gone kanje uyezwa gone kanjena wasala lapha yana ke bandla ingane yamhlongo Nkosi yami sihamba ishuthawu ngangimthanda ubona wavela nyamalala angazi yini kanti phela uyabo asazi ngenzeka umsikandi lenunu amanga ukuthi wayilanda ikhona kodwa yona imtshela ukuthi ikhona akazi yona what if lenunu ikhona kodwa yena akayazi ukuthi ikhona Nkosi yami ingane yabantu ayenzela ukuthi ebantwini awu Jehova ngenelela baba ngenelela somandla siyini ngaphandle kwakho